train to Flinders Street now, platform 2 at Coburg. The next train to Upfield will depart Coburg from platform 2 at 5:47.
Apparently the train's going back for an oil change. Well, good thing I was on my board because I can just skate all the way home. Problem is it's wet. It's really wet. I'll see how it goes. There's the freaking train. Shit's wet. Whoa, graffiti, mate. That's nice. Apparently there's no train, so I'm on my board now. And I like the graffiti at the back. But yeah, I need to get going now. Yeah, so apparently there's no train now. And yeah, train's gonna be in 15 minutes, but I can't wait, so I might as well ride my board. And at the same time, the rain, whoa, water! Okay, yeah, at the same time the rain stopped, so it's a good time for me to practice. But yeah, that's it. So I'm in the bike lane right now, and the bikes are gonna pass by me. And fuck! Oh shit! Nearly fell. Fucking hell! Where am I? I'm just gonna ride first. So I made a lot of detours now, and I've just arrived at Bunnings. And fuck, I can't concentrate vlogging while trying to film myself. Anyway, road's kind of slippery and I'm seeing a lot of shit on the road. Whatever. Apparently, I'm hearing a lot of sirens now. It's like there's some police operations around the area. That could be the reason regarding the train, but yeah, I'm hearing a lot of sirens. And I'm slowing down. I'm scared. I can't concentrate when talking to the camera and riding. Oh, the road's really wet. Anyway, I'm seeing a lot of sirens still. Might come across the shooting, filming. Whoa! Oh. Anyway, I need to drive properly now, because next time I might fall. Shit. Oh, that's shit. Just seeing the police car just pass by there. I wonder what's going on. Fuck. Could be looking for somebody. Hope it's not me. That was a decent uphill. Like, uphill. And then my board just made it. We just made it. Uphill. Newbie. Doesn't know how to skateboard. Anyway, I need to go home now. It's getting dark. And I'm afraid it's gonna rain. But yeah, I'm near home now. Just so happened that yeah, the train didn't come. So I'm just on this board. There's a sheep there who's trying to, I don't know what he's trying to do. But yeah. So let's go back to the, I'm on the sidewalk. You can hear that sound, glug 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 glug. Oh, my zip-on is going out. Zip-on. I hope you guys know what zip-on is. I have to get off my, I hate getting off. I'm just gonna carry it now. I'm gonna cross the street. Oh, my zip-on is really coming out. I should have gone that way, because that uphill is decent, and this thing could handle it. I need to turn my lights. So now I'm walking, because my zip-on is really coming out. Yeah, we're gonna cross the train station. I think they're trying to fix this for, I don't know. But the train's there. Shit, the train's there. Fuck. train's there. Wonder why. Anyway, I'm gonna go slow down. Sa dihang na-absent ko sa train. Kaya nagsige man ko liko-liko. In English, the train caught up with me because I was turning round and round. What the fuck in English was that? There's the train. Oh, there's water. Yeah, it's starting to rain now. There's a train. Fuck yeah.